Today we are making crispy pata, and we're using this pork feet. Crispy pata is a well-known Filipino dish made from the pig's foot or hind leg, and it's first boiled until tender, and then thereafter it is fried until crispy brown. Here we go. We're going to boil the crispy pata or pork feet with peppercorns and garlic, and we're going to boil for 1 hour.
Yeah.
All right.
But remember,
It's been boiling now for about 30 minutes, so another 30 minutes or so. How's it looking? Almost done? Careful, hot.
it's very soft. Yay!
There you go.
Make it like. Holy shit, caravan.
All right, this is like maybe 15 minutes or so frying. It's almost done. Looks good.
Huh? It's good, but I want that crispy, you know. It's good when it's crispy.
All right, here's the finished product. Crispy pata. Yum. All right, let's eat. How is it?
It's very good.
Yeah.
Crunchy.
Looks delicious. All right, here's the crispy pata, and give it a try. Here we go. Wow, delicious. Crispy pata. Yum. All right, here is what's left of our crispy pata. We killed it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, delicious. Thank you.